Our next song is called The Bell. We'll be using 2 hands for this one and learning how to play the C chord. In the right hand, we'll be using the notes middle C to G, which will be playing the melody. And then in the left hand, we will be playing the C chord using the notes C, E and G. First, let me show you how to play it, then we'll practice and play with the rhythm. Okay, it's time to have our practice. Let's practice with both hands. Ready? Let's play. Now let's play along to the rhythm. Ready? Let's go. Move on to exercise 2. Ready to practice? Ready? Let's play. Now we're going to play with the rhythm. Ready? Let's play. Well done, you did it. Should we move on to the next one?